taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A gentle made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A gentle made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Good morning from We Love Food World. With Ricardo Nunes, Antonia Septimo.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hola.
Hello, children. Hello, children.
Hello, guys. Okay, guys.
Hello,
Today
guys.
we're gonna cook a brioche. We're gonna cook bread, guys, with Ricardo Nunes. Okay, people, this is the recipe. Meron tayong all-purpose flour, meron tayong warm milk, and yeast, sugar, egg, and butter. Meron tayong salt. So this is the ingredient. Begin. Okay, Sander, we're gonna put the butter. Slow down, anak, ha? This is butter.
Butter.
Put the butter in. Okay. Wait. The milk.
The milk.
Yeah,
The milk. It's very bun.
And the yeast.
Is.
Okay, mix together, please.
Wait till this.
Slowly, little up. Slowly. Okay, put the sugar on.
The milk.
Sugar na.
No mix.
Okay. Good boy, yeah? Ayan, guys. And then,
Mix.
okay, egg.
I want egg.
Salt.
Salt.
Okay, mix together.
Make it good.
Good boy.
Hey, look! That was the egg.
Okay, guys, we're gonna mix first and then we're gonna put in the flour, okay? That's it. Mix lang po natin. Mix all together. Ayan. Okay, guys, lagay na natin yan dito. Okay, all the ingredients we need to put in the flour. Mix under, mix it. Ayan.
Pasta.
So, ayan. Mix it.
What's the egg?
Mix it. Already, the eggs already mix it.
Egg mix. What's
Okay.
that?
We're doing the dough, yeah? We're
Doing
making the dough. Okay, so it is. Haluin lang natin siya. And then put in the side when you already mix it together. Okay, people. Okay, we're gonna leave this in about like 2 hours. Okay, guys. Takpan natin siya ng cloth. Okay? So, ayan. Put that aside. Okay, guys. Look at this. Okay. Lagyan na natin siya dito. Flour. Okay, look at it. Boom. Nice, yeah? Look at this, guys. Very elastic. Okay. Okay. The big one. Ayan. So, ayan. By pieces, okay? Okay, guys. Ganyan na lang natin. Just like this. Just like that. foam din natin siya. So, nito. Ayan. And then, you need to be brush this, okay? Wash egg. Look nice. Look amazing. Say hola.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
Yeah. How everyone? Hello everyone.
Hello,
Ayan guys.
a morning.
Okay guys, look at this. We need to rest this about 30 minutes. So and then I'm gonna put in the oven. So, takpan muna natin siya ng cloth. Okay guys. Takpan siya natin ng cloth. Okay people, I'm gonna brush this. Egg wash. Brush natin siya. Okay, ayan. Okay, nice. I'm gonna put it in the oven, okay? Ayan. Okay. Wow. Okay, guys. Okay, people. My bread's already in the oven and wait 30 minutes and then it need to be cooled down and then ready to eat. And hopefully good. Anyway, guys, the weather is UK. It's really hot. It's summer. So beautiful for this recipe. So see you later. Mwah! Okay guys, look at that. Brioche. Look, yummy. It's really hot, people. Really hot. So, ayan. Okay guys, look at this. Amazing, yeah. Nice. Hola people, how are you everyone? Hi guys. Okay guys, this my brioche is already cooked. It's really hot, amazing, beautiful, smell delicious. Look at this, it's still hot, so need to be cooled down a bit. And thank you for watching. Hopefully you like my brioche bread. Amazing bread, smell delicious, good for everyone, for your family. People, sana po nagustuhan nyo ang aking tinapay at sana po matikman ninyo. Masarap to brioche, masarap. Okay guys, in the kitchen we are fire. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and like and watch and please. Thank you. See you our next video. And please watch. Good night. Mwah. God bless you all. Bye now. Ah, look at this, Sander. Yummy bread, huh? Amazing. Okay. Oh, the brioche. Amazing, Sander. Oh, no. You want to eat? Look at this. Amazing, love. Oh, delicious, isn't it? And then take one and you look yummy, isn't it? See, hey, look at that, mommy bread.
My bread. It's
Yummy,
cooking.
eat. Yum, yum. Yummy. Mmm.
I want to make a house.
Yum and soup. Lovely, huh? Delicious. This is delicious, guys. So nice. Yum and soup. Yeah? Eat, darling, eat. Yum, huh? Thank you. Mwah. Mwah.
Ma.
taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love